Okay guys, I finished installing everything into the new case, and as you can see there is a huge amount of space for everything. And in fact, the wire that I had before for my hard drive, the SATA wire, was too small to fit, so I actually had to just place my hard drive here to test the system to see if it works. So I placed it here, and that way it could connect into the SATA port right in there, and where it is now. So as you can see, it was right here. So yeah, for test purposes, I took the old SATA cable and just installed it, and placed the hard drive right here at the bottom, so the SATA would fit. I'm just trying to find where it is now. Okay, so as you can see, it was this long, and this was too short for the case because the case is so big. So what I did was I had to go out and get a bigger cable. So I got a 2-foot cable, and now as you can see, this cable fits perfectly. That one right there. And as you can see, because of the case's design and everything, I've hidden all the wires in the back, and so there's a lot of space, and it's really nice and tidy and nice and neat. So all the cables are hidden on the back, and unfortunately these cables are still here. They're part of the cables that power the video card, and the ones that came with the Corsair 650 watt power supply, they have 2 bands, and ATI advised to put 1 cable per 1 outlet. So, but this one outlet has 2 cable leads, so one has to go here and one goes in here. So because of that, I have the leftover. Otherwise, one would be good enough to put to power or to put into the video card, but they don't recommend it. They recommend 1 cable lead per input. So there you have it. Everything is nice and tidy, nice and clean, and this toolless design that Cooler Master has is really simple. As you can see, when you install an optical drive, just place it in, pop it in from the front. Pop it in from the front. Right, first you gotta take this out. This mesh part comes out easily. Pop it in, and then you just press the button and it locks it into place, and that's it. And for the hard drive, you just click that open, pull this out, put the tray into these pins, mash the hard drive into these pins, put it back in, and close it, and it locks. So as you can see, I put the hard drive right there, right in there. There's the hard drive, and yeah, and all the cables go into the back, so you can hide them nicely, as I did with the SATA cable. So yeah, directly into the hard drive, and that's it. One problem I ran into was this motherboard. Because it was part of a HP computer, the motherboard didn't come with a manual, and that meant that all the power plugs, the power LED, the HD for the top here, get that in there, right there, the power button, the reset button, the lights, the hard drive light, the USB ports and all that. Well, USB ports were easy, but mainly the power, the HDD LED, the reset LED. I couldn't figure out where to put that. The reason was because I had installed the video card. I had installed the video card before I plugged in those wires, and as you can see, I'm gonna try to show you here, but this video card is massive, so it was covering the plugs where I had to plug in the power LED, the HDD LED, and the reset button, the reset LED. I'm just going to try to get some light here. So if you can see, I gotta remove this SATA. See if I can do that. Well, hopefully you can see from here, but these wires, these leads, you can see they lead right underneath the ATI video card. And what happened was half of those are covered by the video card, so I couldn't see it. So I was trying to put them into where these two small USB plugs go into. So I was trying to put them into here and it wasn't working, and I couldn't turn on the computer. And finally, after trying to restart everything, as in the whole process, I removed the video card, and when I removed the video card I noticed those plugs, and that's when I figured out my mistake. And that's it. So this is the Cooler Master HAF932 full tower case, and as you can see, it is huge. And that's how it looks from the inside. And as you can see, there's a lot of space, so you can do the wiring nice and tidy. And that's it.